Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this you just need to open your three dot option on Facebook, and after this you just have to scroll down and scroll up to the settings and privacy option here. When you click settings, let it be open, you can see this is our settings option, and you will just have to go on the news feed option here, and you can see the unfollow option on the second stage here. Just click on the unfollow and you can see these are the peoples you have followed them for no reason, so you can unfollow them from here. So we will just search for the option by which we can unfollow them all at the same time of operation. Just wait for a second and you can see the option of unfollowing them at once by touching each. So this is the way how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.